A very pleasant morning to all of you. Hope finds you all in the best of your health and safety. Children, today in this video, we'll start with our first poem of Stepping Stones, whose title is Day by Day I Float My Paper Boats. It has been written by great Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. But before moving to the recitation of the poem, I would like you all to be aware of few new words. The first one is running stream, which means flowing water. Second one, strange, which means unknown, something which is not known to you. Bulging out, which means sticking out, like when you fill a glass of water and the water starts coming out of it. That means it's bulging out. It's overflowing. It's bulging out. It's coming out. Sticking out of something is called bulging out. Playmate. Playmate is your friend. Bury. Hide. Actually, one of the flowers of Bengal which bloom in the autumn. Autumn is the name of a season. And this flower is of Bengal. As the poet belongs to West Bengal, so he has talked about the flower which grows in his garden of Bengal. Now let's start. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who am I. So now, here the poet wants to say that every day he makes a paper boat and then he floats there, he sails them in a running stream, that is flowing water. And what he does, he writes his name and the name of his village on the boat. And what is the purpose of writing that is that he is writing so that when his boat will reach any strange land, somewhere which is not known to him, there, when people will find his boat, they will come to know about his village and his name also. Let's move ahead. I load my little boats with chilly flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my paper boats. So, what the poet wants to say here is that what he does after doing that, he puts chilly flowers from his garden in those boats and then he sees up in the sky and he finds that the clouds are there in the sky which are bulging out. And he thinks that someone is there in the sky who is playing with his boats and they are having a race. Like the clouds are also running in the sky and my boats are also floating in the running water. So they are having a race. Let's move ahead. When the night comes and I bury my face in my arms, you can look in the picture that here in the picture also the child has buried. He has hidden his face in his arms and he's only thinking about his boats. So what does he dream about them? Dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and loading their baskets full of dreams. And what he finds that in his boats the fairies of sleep are sailing and what they have, they are loading their baskets with all dreams. Home assignment for the day is read the poem and do glossary in the notebook and frame their sentences and do page number 11 in the book with dark HB pencil. Thank you.